Welcome to the Barefoot Masters Ashiatsu Barefoot Seated Massage class. Hi, I'm Mace, and we are excited to announce our newest Deep Tissue CE training course. It is an easy 1-hour routine, all done from a bar stool. Bring Ashiatsu Massage on house calls or perform it in your office. There isn't any need for bars, so you can give your clients results with a minimal amount of effort on your part. Balance out your massage practice today by also using your feet. For more information on classes near you, go to thebarefootmasters.com. Want to see more? Follow us.